Hello everyone, today I'm with my mother and I'm at a car wash. Say hi to the camera, Mom.
Hello.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Mom.
Yep, that's Mom. Now, we will be at a car wash. This is gonna be fun. Also, I hope I get a ton of views. Also, just to mention, guys, y'all are probably wondering, why do you have comments turned off? Well, for some reason, when I started my YouTube channel, they were already turned off. So I'm gonna see if I could try to turn comments on. But whoa, I like this. And yeah, wiper. How did they even make this one? Surprising. OMG. Like tornadoes. This is cool. I was just kidding. And the drying chamber. Best thing in the car wash. Hope you guys liked that, and also shout outs to my mom on Instagram. Tell her your Instagram account.
It's Yachty_bitch. I know. It's a crazy name.
Really, Mom? Why did you have to do that, Yachty?
That's the one I wanted.
Yachty_bitch. Shout outs to Yachty_bitch. Also shout outs to Angel.